If you hold a green card, the rules you thought you understood have now shifted beneath your feet. New government policies are already being enforced, and they're targeting everyday actions like travel, childbirth, and filing paperwork. What's changed could quietly jeopardize your permanent resident status, and you may not even see it coming. Starting July 2025, U.S. immigration enforcement has entered a sharper phase. Quietly but forcefully, 3 major policy shifts have taken effect, and they are already impacting green card holders across the country. From tighter airport screenings and unpredictable border delays, to changes in birthright citizenship and costly green card reapplications. These updates are real, official, and in motion. In this video, we're going to break down all 3 policy changes. What's changed? Who's most affected? And what you must do immediately to stay protected. 1. Returning to the U.S. You could be flagged for old issues. Green card holders coming back to the U.S. are now facing unexpected problems at the border because Customs and Border Protection, CBP, has changed how it screens lawful permanent residents. What's new? CBP is now reviewing past records in real time, using integrated systems that flag traffic violations, delinquent or late tax filings, old court matters, even those long dismissed, DMV data, and prior travel patterns. Even small things, like a parking fine that wasn't cleared, can now raise red flags. Case in point, a software engineer from New Jersey flew home from a vacation in Turkey this May. She was held at the airport for more than 7 hours. The reason? A 2019 citation that had been dismissed, but wasn't updated in DMV records. Officers told her the issue could lead to green card revocation. Why this matters now? Officers aren't waiting for a major red flag to act. Under new enforcement guidelines, even minor inconsistencies can lead to detainment, secondary inspection, or referrals to immigration court. What to do before you travel? Check your complete legal record, DMV, court history, taxes. Fix errors or incomplete records. Carry recent evidence that proves your strong ties to the U.S. Lease agreements, W-2s, pay stubs, utility bills. Don't assume your green card protects you from inspection. Right now, returning residents are being scrutinized more closely than ever. 2. Citizenship at birth now varies by state. In late June 2025, the Supreme Court cleared the way for a major shift in how birthright citizenship is applied in the United States. As of now, a child born on U.S. soil may no longer be guaranteed citizenship if their parents are undocumented and they're born in a state that has opted into the executive order signed by President Trump. States like Texas, Florida, Arizona are among the first to implement the rule. Others may follow or face legal injunctions delaying enforcement. This creates an uneven, unpredictable legal landscape across the country. Who's affected? Green card holders who are sponsoring a pregnant partner, planning for childbirth in 2025, living in a state with active enforcement. This isn't just about paperwork. It's about your child's ability to attend school, access healthcare, and obtain future immigration benefits. What used to be a simple delivery is now a legal risk depending on geography. Citizenship is no longer automatic nationwide. What to do? Before giving birth, speak with an immigration attorney. Confirm whether your state is enforcing the new rule. Secure written guidance on how to prove your child's status later, if challenged. These laws are active now, and your child's citizenship could hinge on where you live, not just where they're born. 3. Denied green card. Your medical exam is no longer valid. Here's a change that's already catching applicants by surprise. As of June 11th, 2025, if your I-485 green card application is denied or withdrawn, the medical exam you submitted, Form I-693, is now automatically void, even if it's still within the standard 2-year validity period. Previously, applicants could reuse their exam if they reapplied within 2 years. That's no longer allowed. Now, you'll have to book a brand new appointment with a civil surgeon. Repeat all medical tests. Pay again, usually between $200 to $400. Resubmit Form I-693 as if applying for the first time. Many people wait months or even years after a denial before reapplying. Under the old rule, they could save money and time by reusing the original exam. Under the new rule, that flexibility is gone. What this means for you. Don't file your I-485 until your case is complete and ready for approval. A denial will now cost you more than just time. It comes with added medical expenses. Protect your wallet and avoid delays by getting your application right the first time. Your 2025 Green Card Checklist. If you're a green card holder in 2025, here's what you need to do now to stay protected. 1. Audit your history. Review your tax returns, court history, and DMV records. Fix any outdated information, even if it seems minor. 2. Before traveling, pack proof of your life in the U.S. Pay stubs, W-2s, lease agreements, bills, anything that confirms your physical and financial presence. 3. If you're expecting a baby, find out whether your state enforces the birthright citizenship change. Don't make assumptions. Get legal advice in writing. 4. If your application was denied, immediately schedule a new medical exam. Waiting too long could cause you to miss deadlines or incur more costs. 5. Don't rely on rumors. TikTok and WhatsApp are full of bad information right now. Stick to verified sources. Common myths to ignore in July 2025. Let's clear up some false headlines floating around. No, green card holders cannot naturalize after just 4 years. The law still requires 5 years, or 3 for spouses of citizens. There's no automatic 180-day travel rule that triggers revocation. It depends on individual circumstances. EB2 and EB3 green card holders are not required to prove job field eligibility every year. USCIS has not made 100% digital renewals mandatory as of now. Stay alert. Know the difference between policy and internet speculation. If you're living in the US on a green card, this is not the time to take anything for granted. 3 new rule changes are already being enforced. 1 wrong move, whether it's a forgotten citation, a weak application, or the wrong state of residence, could cost you time, money, or even your status. Stay informed. Take control. And before making any immigration move, double-check with a trusted professional. If this update helped you, subscribe to Immiscope, turn on notifications, and share this with a friend or family member who needs to hear it. We're tracking every rule change, so you never fall behind on immigration in 2025.